Hello everyone. Say hello to them. Hello. So today we're just going to have this testimony about the IAM IAM Worldwide Amazing Choco Barley. So this is Nathan. Nathan is my kid. He's now, how old are you, Nathan?
I'm 11.
11 years old. So before he had skin rashes.
Rashes.
Yes, rashes. And where are your skin rashes, Nathan?
In the back.
At your back. What else?
And arms.
Arms. And then just arms. How about your legs? You also have some rashes on your legs. Yes. And sometimes around your eyes like that. Parang mukha siyang panda. And so palagi namin siyang, we used to send Nathan to the hospital every year around autumn. In autumn kasi it starts to change the weather here, and so usually it's foggy, and most of the doctors just told us that he had those rashes because of the weather. So he took different kinds of medications and topical ointments as well to get rid of those. Since 5 years old, he had those rashes, and until this year, we finally got this, Choco Barley, and I just thought at the beginning maybe it could help him.
Sorry.
So I decided to try it, and he took this just for 3 days, and I was amazed because it got rid of all of those rashes very quickly, and even until now that he didn't have the rashes, I still let him drink this every morning. Just he drinks just once a day, once a shake per day. So I'm really glad that I found this barley, and in fact my entire family now is using barley. Even my father, I also drink barley every day for maintenance, and even my husband. So I'm just gonna show you how it looks like inside. There are 10 sachets inside. Nathan, you can get one. Yeah, he also helped me pack these. Yes. Here. Yan, ito yung sachet na iniinom niya. Yung loob. Ito yung one sachet. Siyempre. So, you can just put it in a cup with hot water, and mga 150 or 200 ml. Yun, 200 ml ng water. So, he drinks this every day now, and he likes it. Right, Nathan?
Yeah.
Why do you like Choco Barley?
Because it tastes chocolate.
And then, what else?
And sweet.
And sweet. And what else? It also helps get rid of your skin rashes, right? Because before, we always try to put a lot of ointment around on his body, and it doesn't get rid of the rashes. So, yan lang po. This is our testimony about the Choco Barley.